The path to wealth is often paved with the right mindset, disciplined habits, and strategic choices. Millionaires have a unique perspective on money, one that emphasizes both the importance of building wealth and the strategies necessary to maintain it. We will see some thrifty tips that can help anyone adopt a millionaire's money mindset and cultivate lasting wealth. Embrace a frugal lifestyle. Many millionaires understand that wealth isn't just about making money, it's also about saving it. Embracing a frugal lifestyle allows individuals to stretch their dollars further. This doesn't mean living a life devoid of pleasures, but rather prioritizing spending on what truly matters. For instance, cooking at home instead of dining out can significantly reduce food expenses. Meal planning and buying groceries in bulk can save both time and money. Opting for generic brands instead of name brands can yield similar quality at a lower price. Shopping during sales, using coupons, and taking advantage of cashback offers are other practical strategies. Additionally, consider evaluating your subscriptions and memberships. Many people pay for services they rarely use, whether it's a gym membership or streaming services. Canceling or negotiating these can free up additional funds that can be redirected towards savings or investments. By cutting unnecessary expenses, you create more room for your investments, which is a key component of wealth accumulation. Set clear financial goals. Establishing clear and measurable financial goals is crucial for any wealth-building strategy. Millionaires often have specific objectives, whether it's saving a certain amount for retirement, purchasing real estate, or funding a child's education. When setting goals, it's essential to make them SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," you might say, "I will save $10,000 for a down payment on a house in the next 2 years." By defining these goals, you can create a roadmap to achieve them. Break down larger goals into smaller, actionable steps. If your goal is to save for retirement, determine how much you need to contribute each month to reach your desired retirement savings by a specific age. Regularly assess your progress and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate small milestones along the way, as this will keep you motivated and focused on your ultimate objectives. Invest wisely and early. Investing is a fundamental strategy for wealth accumulation. Many millionaires begin investing as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. For instance, investing $5,000 at age 25 could yield substantially more by retirement than waiting until age 35 to invest the same amount. Diversification is another key principle in investing. Millionaires often allocate their money across various asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and more to reduce risk. Each asset class behaves differently under various market conditions, and diversification can help stabilize your portfolio's performance. Understand the risks involved in your investments and choose options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider consulting a financial advisor if you're unsure about where to start. Additionally, educating yourself about investment options can significantly enhance your decision-making and overall success. Read books, follow financial news, and attend workshops to build your financial literacy. Live below your means. A common trait among wealthy individuals is their ability to live below their means. This principle encourages you to spend less than you earn and to resist the urge to inflate your lifestyle as your income increases. Living below your means doesn't necessarily mean living a life of deprivation. It's about making conscious choices regarding your spending habits. For example, when you receive a raise or a bonus, consider maintaining your current lifestyle rather than upgrading your car or moving to a more expensive home. This approach allows you to funnel the extra income into savings or investments, accelerating your wealth-building journey. Creating a budget can help you monitor your spending and ensure you are living within your means. Use budgeting apps or traditional spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. Categorizing your spending can help identify areas where you can cut back and save more effectively. By maintaining a modest lifestyle, you create room for savings and investments, which can lead to long-term financial success. Network with like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with financially savvy individuals can significantly influence your money mindset. Networking with like-minded people exposes you to new ideas, opportunities, and strategies for wealth building. Attend industry events, join investment clubs, or participate in community groups focused on financial literacy. Engaging with others on a similar journey can provide motivation, support, and valuable insights. By sharing experiences and knowledge, You can learn from others' successes and mistakes, helping you avoid common pitfalls. Consider finding a mentor who has successfully navigated the wealth-building process. Their guidance can be invaluable in helping you make informed financial decisions. Online platforms and social media can also be great tools for networking. Join forums and groups focused on personal finance and investing to connect with others who share your goals. Engaging in discussions and asking questions can broaden your understanding and introduce you to new perspectives. Practice patience and discipline. Building wealth is often a marathon, not a sprint. Millionaires understand the importance of patience and discipline in achieving their financial goals. Avoid the temptation of chasing quick gains or reacting impulsively to market fluctuations. Stick to your investment strategy and trust the process, knowing that consistent, disciplined actions will yield results over time. Setbacks are a natural part of the wealth-building journey. Whether it's a market downturn or an unexpected expense, how you respond can make a significant difference in your long-term success. Instead of panicking or making rash decisions, take a step back, assess the situation, and make informed choices. Regularly reviewing your financial plan and adjusting it as necessary can help you stay on track. Monitor your investments and assess their performance periodically. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to make changes. The key is to remain committed to your long-term goals while being flexible enough to adapt to changing circumstances. Prioritize savings for emergencies. An emergency fund is a cornerstone of financial stability. Millionaires often set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This cushion protects against unforeseen circumstances, such as job loss or medical emergencies, without derailing your investment strategy. To build your emergency fund, start small. Aim to save a few $100s initially, then gradually increase it to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Consider automating your savings by setting up a direct deposit into a separate savings account each month. This approach makes saving easier and ensures you're consistently contributing to your fund. Review your emergency fund periodically to ensure it remains sufficient. As your financial situation changes, your emergency fund should reflect those changes. For example, if you receive a raise or move to a more expensive area, reassess your savings goal to maintain an adequate safety net. Give back to the community. Philanthropy is not only a way to make a positive impact on society, but also a key aspect of many wealthy individuals' mindsets. Giving back can create a sense of fulfillment and purpose, reinforcing the idea that wealth can be used to benefit others. Many millionaires dedicate a portion of their wealth to charitable organizations or causes that resonate with them. Whether it's through charitable donations, volunteering, or mentoring, engaging in philanthropy can enhance your financial journey and foster a sense of community. Consider finding a cause you're passionate about and exploring ways to contribute. Volunteering your time and skills can be just as valuable as monetary donations. Teaching financial literacy to others can empower individuals to improve their financial situations, creating a ripple effect of positive change. Adopting a millionaire's money mindset involves more than just accumulating wealth. It's about cultivating habits that promote financial stability and growth. By embracing frugality, setting clear goals, investing wisely, and fostering continuous learning, you can pave your way to lasting wealth. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, and with discipline, patience, and the right strategies, anyone can build and maintain their wealth over time. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your financial situation, these thrifty tips can help you toward a prosperous future.